Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then hello, I'm Maneet Talwar. I would be very happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. It is going to be a GRWM video just because I have to go somewhere. It is a mehndi function. So I thought why not to film this while I'm getting ready and show you how I'm going to get my makeup on. So this video is going to be very short and simple video just because अगर मैंने देर कर दी तो मुझे मेरे घर वालों से बहुत सुनने को मिलने वाला है. So let's just start. Okay, so first I'm going to do my eyebrows, and before eyebrows I had already cleaned my facial hairs and I'm done with my moisturizer, serums, everything I have completely done. Now I'm just starting with my eyebrows, and I had purchased a new eyebrow kit. It's from Miniso, naming Mini Pony. It's like this. So I'm just making a try to it how my eyebrows are going to look. So let's start. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. Now I am moving forward to do my eyeshadow. So applying the concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm not going to do a heavy eyeshadow. I'm just going to be very simple with that. Okay, so I'm going to use this Magic Professional Cosmetics eyeshadow. It seems like this. I have shown you earlier also. It is a very good eyeshadow. It has all colors with it. Okay, so I had taken a very nude brown color, very light brown color to put on my crease line, and this time I had taken a little bit darker color than earlier to put on my eyelids. Then it's a kind of burgundy color which I had put on my socket areas just to pop up the colors, and this is how it's look. So yeah, I'm done now. मैंने बहुत simple सा किया है. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल inner corner में it's a light brown, and coming towards the end it's burgundy type. So it's a combination of colors which I had done. So next I'm going to apply my liner, and my liner is from this color Essence. So applying this liner. Applying this orange concealer, corrector, whatever you call it. So my corrector part is done. Now I'm going towards my base. So for base I'm going to use my Makeup Studio palette. So I'm taking the beige color for my shade. So right now I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics contour palette in the shade 02, and I'm going forward with the contour. So guys, मैं contour blush highlighting ये सब तीनों चीज़ें मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियोस में अपनी बता रखी हैं. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिपीट ऑल द स्टेप्स दैट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू एंड व्हाट यू नॉट टू. इफ़ यू वांट दैट व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स यू कैन वॉच माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़. So now I am doing my blush, and after that I will be doing my highlighter. Okay, so I forgot about baking. पूरा आइडिया कर लिया, but I left out the baking. So this is the lipper which is from Faces Canada, and I just love, I'm in love with this lipper, the shade of this lipper. So guys, this is the look. I'll be right back. So guys, if you like this video and enjoyed this GRWM, so do like this video, hit and subscribe to my channel. So I'm getting late, I have to go rush, and bye.